Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to overdo the 90 FPS Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes, these are 90 FPS using the config file. Yes friends, so don't get excited. So these are using only config file. So in case if you want to download the config file, you can join my Telegram group. But this is the same config file which I have used for the Poco F3 GT. Yes, so here's the Poco F3 GT, same config file. It worked properly without any kind of issues. And a lot of users they did ask me, can you please test the same config file in the OnePlus Nord 2. That is this video is about. Let's see whether we'll be getting 90 FPS or not. What are the other options it's enabled, whether HDR plus extreme can I use it or not. That's what I'm going to exactly mention in this video. Let's start the game, which is a Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see what will happen. And these are the Realme finger sleeves which I'm trying to use. I think I did order exactly 1 month back, and one of them is completely gone in terms of the border, as you can see. That is the reason I'm not using other one. So I'm just using only one. So because of my big thumb, the size is very small friends, the finger sleeve, that is the reason. So let's see. So I'll be using the real-time floating FPS meter during this time of demonstration. As you can see, this is a real-time FPS meter which you can actually have in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. You don't need to download any kind of application, nothing at all. You can actually have in the OnePlus Nord 2. And I did upload a video as well how to enable the real-time FPS meter. Try to check this video and you can actually solve it. So first let's explore the settings option and let's see whether we can actually get the 90 FPS or not. So these are the default settings. I think I did not install the config. I'll try to copy the config file right now. So I just thought of showing you before config file and after config file. How is the settings gonna change in the OnePlus Nord 2 device? So overall, before config file, you cannot get any kind of 90 FPS, and there is no HDR and Ultra. HDR and Extreme option is not available in this phone, which we do know already. By using this kind of real-time FPS meter, now we'll be able to get to know how is the gaming performance. Let's go to the settings and let's check the graphics. And yes, as you can see friends, 90 FPS. You can actually see in the OnePlus Nord, this is a OnePlus Nord 2 only. As you can see, this is OnePlus Nord 2 and 90 FPS. I did use the 90 FPS exactly, but in the FPS meter it's showing only 50 and 60, not. As you can see, it's not increasing. Let's double check in the settings. I don't know what you're thinking. So try to change the settings or refresh rate. That is the reason I'm trying to show you right in front of the camera only. As you can see, I'm trying to select 90 Hz refresh rate only. Let me try to go back to the game. But still, as you can see, I'm not getting that kind of real-time FPS meter. 90 FPS, I'm not getting at all, as you can see, but I'm getting 60 FPS. As you can see friends. So what we can do actually, I'll try to use maybe HDR plus extreme settings. Let's see what will happen. HDR and extreme settings, whether we can actually get or not. So let's try first with the 90 FPS first. So yep, 90 FPS, yes, both selected 90 FPS. I'm ready to play normal game. Let's see whether we can actually get any kind of 90 FPS while gaming or not. But right now, I'm not getting any kind of signs at all. You can see here I'm not getting anything. So it's getting only 60 FPS at this moment. Nothing. It's not increasing at all. Like difference 60 and 50. Just now it dropped to 50 FPS as well. Just now. So I'm getting 60 FPS consistently. 60, 59 FPS, not bad. So let's go back to the settings and let's change to the HDR and extreme settings. Let's see what will happen with the HDR and extreme. So be careful friends using the config file. Sometimes your account may get banned. That's the reason I'm trying to use only on the normal account only, not much. So let's try to use HDR settings, HDR and extreme settings I'm trying to use right now. As you can see here, let's see what will happen if you try to use HDR and extreme settings, whether you're getting 60 or not. Yes, we are able to get a 60 without any kind of problem, as you can see exactly. So let's do one FPS drop test. Why not? Yes, let's see the one FPS drop test, and later I'll try to include separate video dedicated for this one only. So then we'll be able to understand what is the FPS drop happening, how is going on in this phone. So right now I'm trying to use HDR and extreme settings and I'm getting 60 FPS consistently, 60 57. I already do the one time drop test in the bootcamp exactly, so just to demonstrate what is going on with this phone. Now you can actually see the real-time FPS meter, what is happening. So this is a very good useful feature, friends, which is present in the OnePlus Nord 2. That is what I did like. I did not expect this one. So right now the FPS drop, let's see, exactly 57, it's maintaining 57. This is using the HDR and extreme settings. 59, not bad, 59. FPS, 55. It went up to 55. As you can see, HDR and extreme settings, 55. It came down to 55 as well during this process of demonstration. We did see that coming, 55. So before I was playing with the Poco F3 GT, I thought there were some kind of triggers going on, but that's not the case. I got used to that Poco F3 GT, to be frank, with the triggers. So right now let's check the team deathmatch, how the team deathmatch is handling in terms of the FPS counts. Right now I'm getting 60 FPS, no issues. Fifteen FPS, not bad. 59, 50, 60 FPS I'm getting consistent. 58 FPS, 58, 59, as you can see, using the HDR plus extreme settings. This 57, 57, 59, not bad. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review, and overall the 90 FPS I was unable to get in this OnePlus Nord at this moment. So maybe I need to use different kind of config file, I think so. So once I try with a different kind of config file, I'll be able to update you more on the details. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to check the playlist for more details about the OnePlus Nord 2. In case if you are having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to help you out, maybe by making a video as well, by clearing all your doubts. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video, and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.